my name's Sibéal Pounder and I am the author of some books that you might know, Witch Wars, Tinsel, Fright Club, the novelization of the Wonka film, and Chaos at the Chocolate Factory, which is all about Charlie Bucket's time at the factory. And Willy Wonka is going to go on one of his expeditions, and the Oompa Loompas are taking a holiday. And Charlie, who has been creating lots of his own fantastical edible inventions at Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, thinks he can run the whole place by himself, especially when he finds this machine created by a certain Professor Foulbody that promises to run the entire factory for him. Will it be as good as promised, or will it create chaos? My favorite place to read is anywhere comfy. I think that the thing about reading is that you are transported to another world and the world within the story. So it's never really mattered to me where I'm reading. It's more about what I'm reading. My top tip would be to read aloud, whether it's to your friends or if you don't feel as confident reading out loud to your friends, which I didn't when I was growing up. I used to read to my pets instead, and it can be a big pet like a dog or something small like this stick insect. You might even just find a snail or something in the garden to read to. And it's really fun to read out loud, especially because it allows you to do all the voices, which is very important. My reading challenge to myself is going to be to reread all the Roald Dahl books that I loved as a child, because I find when you revisit books that you haven't read in a while, or sometimes in a long time, decades, I haven't read some of them. It reminds you of a certain time when you first read them and how you felt when you first read them, and maybe who was reading it to you. I can still hear my mum's voice reading Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and one of my teachers as well, because we read it in class, and it just brings back so many memories of friends and how I felt when I was reading it, how I imagined all the creations in the book tasted, and it just is very evocative. So I want to reread them all and remember all those fun times of when I first read the books. If you liked Chaos at the Chocolate Factory, I highly recommend reading, if you haven't already, Roald Dahl's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It is one of the best books ever written. I would also recommend the novelization of the Wonka movie. There are lots of scenes in that book that were actually cut from the movie, so lots of little extras for you to enjoy. I would also recommend Fright Club, which is my newest book, and while it doesn't have any delicious treats like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, there is a world called Devilbend, which has a demon bakery where they make things out of, if you fancy a cake made of pus and decorated with toenails. I'd also recommend The House with Chicken Eggs by Sophie Anderson. It is my favourite middle grade book of all time, and it is so much heart, much like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and Charlie Bucket's story. And I would mention the Beanstalk Murder. I would highly recommend this book. It is so funny and so cleverly plotted. You will love it.